Well, surprise, surprise, it's another warm and humid evening out there. It's 88 right now in Miami, 87 at Fort Lauderdale Hollywood International Airport, and 85 in Key West. Yes, it is very, very warm this evening after a very hot day. 7 on the stickiness scale feels like 96. A west-southwest breeze at 8. Had a little bit of rain at MIA overnight. A few thunderstorms up to our north right now, mainly in Palm Beach County. That activity may stray into parts of Broward, but for the most part, we're going to be pretty quiet. Made it up to 98 at MIA with our traditionally warm spot, but it also broke the record for Fort Lauderdale Hollywood. And when you start breaking records that have been standing for almost half a century, that's a pretty significant accomplishment there. 96, breaking the old record of 95 set back in 1963. Highs today, everybody in the mid to upper 80s. Probably an equally warm day tomorrow before the temperatures come down just a little bit. The focus tonight is on Faye, our latest tropical storm. It has winds of 45 miles an hour. It's another one of these weak storms in kind of the southeast Atlantic area, off the southeast coast in the Atlantic there. Winds 45 miles an hour, moving to the north at 8 miles an hour. Probably won't get a whole lot stronger. It is lopsided. There's the center, but most of the bad weather is on the right or east side of the storm as it's moving to the north. There's the future track skirting the New Jersey coast tomorrow, and then coming into southern New England as well as New York tomorrow night, and then it weakens. Main threats with it, some tropical storm force winds, probably on the low end, as well as some flooding rainfall. There's the area of impact, significant wind impact, and those values aren't that high. So what is going on? We're now at a record for the earliest 6th named storm of the season. Now, a lot of us lived through 2005. It was very, very busy, and so we broke the record from 2005. 2005 had all these storms in the Gulf, and then on July 4th had Category 4 Dennis, and then on July 10th Category 5 Emily, and then Franklin on July 21st. Those were storms that came out of the deep tropics, some of those storms in July. Our storms, they've been up here. We had, of course, Cristobal, but most of the storms have been up here, not in the deep tropics. So far, nothing's coming out of the deep tropics. I think that's a good thing. You don't want to have early storms, tropical waves becoming storms coming out of the deep tropics. So far, so good. I know our number's high, but I don't think that in itself is a sign of bad things to come. So let's keep that and tuck it in our pocket, right? Stray storms possible overnight, a low near 82 for tomorrow. Look for a very hot sun once again. Late day storms and a high near 95. On the water, winds out of the east to southeast, averaging about 10 knots, seas running 2 feet or less. Really no big changes, mainly late day storms and plenty of summer heat. Back to you.